the young metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another dope video. And this is actually a different type of video. This is actually in partnership with one of my favorite companies out there, and I think we're coming together and bonding and making wonderful magic with each other. This is actually coming from the Kiss company. That's right, the Kiss company. If you guys noticed over the course of last year, me and Kiss have tamed up and bring you guys some really good content, especially products that I promote for them. So that's actually a plus. So what I plan on doing for you guys is showing you guys each month what I get in my PR box from Kiss. So yes, that's right, I do work for them. I am part of the partnership, the team, the promotional team, you know, all the fun stuff. So yeah, so this is actually last month's box, which I haven't gone all the way through, which they're probably gonna kill me, but it's okay. But we're gonna talk about all the little goodies that Kiss has to offer that you guys may have not even known that they actually offer it. So starting off, they always give me a pack of nails. So I have the Goldfinger Gel Glam Ready to Wear manicure nails, and they're in a really cute little ombre pink. I don't usually wear this style, so I usually give these away to people. They actually are starting to broaden out into more like facial products. So they actually have a product that's called the Tea Tree Deep Cleansing Clay Collection. So I actually have the clay mask, the Tea Tree Control Oil Moisturizer, and for people that are like have breakouts or anything like that, me personally, I don't usually get breakouts too often, but when I do, I'm actually happy that I cop these. They send me the Tea Tree Invisible acne patches, which have hydroloid and tea tree plus, I cannot pronounce that word, and I went to beauty school for this, so that sounds really bad, but I'm sorry. Basically, let me just sum it up what these do. It just sounds all cute and everything on the package. I'm just gonna sum it up. Basically, these little patches, if you are having a breakout, they're really cute. I actually used it last night because I had a little something up here starting to form, and literally over a course of like some hours, it was gone. So you're gonna get these little patches, right? And with each patch, you're literally gonna put it on there. Put it on like the on the pimple that you're working on. Literally put it on there, leave it on there for a few hours, and literally it's like whatever is in these little patches is literally soaking up everything, like everything that could be possibly going on with that little bump, that little pimple or whatever. It's literally taking it out right there and then with no issue. So these are a must-have, and I think we sell these at my job at Hey Beauty. So definitely come through and cop these because these are a must-have, and I'll probably be actually buying some more of these. And I hope they send me some more because we like these. If you guys didn't know, Keisha Cole has teamed up with Red by Kiss. So if you guys didn't know, Kiss Professionals is a broad spectrum of things. So they have makeup, and they also have a hair care side. I'm more so on the hair care side, even though I do use a lot of their makeup, but it's cool. So she actually has this ritzy velvet. It's a top knot turban, very cute. I probably actually do a cute little photo with this. But it's ultra stretchy, quick and easy styling. So it's basically just your regular turban, it's just velvet. I always get their Almighty Bond hair glue. This is actually one of my favorite hair glues. I will be doing a video of me installing a unit very soon, utilizing their glue, and they always send me the glue and the remover. So this is a plus. So you could actually find everything that I'm showing you, you literally can find either on websites or you can just go to your local beauty supply. And also they send me a Red by Kiss glitter detangling brush. I don't know how many detangling brushes I need, but y'all keep sending them. If y'all keep making them, please keep sending them. But yes, this is a glitter one, so I'm actually excited. I actually like it when they send me detangling brushes because I be needing these for wigs and my real hair. And lastly, they gave me a braid shower cap. Now, funny part is I don't get braids, but I do wear braid wigs. And so with this being a durable it's a sewn on Velcro essential braiding shower cap, which I don't see too often out there that they actually make shower caps for braids. So if you are at your local beauty supply, please try and cop these if you are part of the braid community, the lock community, you know, protective style community. This is actually something that I feel like would be definitely essential to all people out there. So yeah, so that was everything that I received in this month's PR box. Well, we're gonna say last month's PR box. So we're gonna say that this was March's PO box. I cannot wait to see what's gonna be in April's PR box. So I'm excited about that. But if you guys want me to keep doing more of the PR boxes and showing you guys the new products that Kiss has to offer you guys, please let me know down in the comments. Let me know in there. Let me know if you guys want to see me actually utilize some of these items, how to use them, or if you want me to go more in depth on a particular item. So if this video was informative and to you guys liking, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders,